In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever found yourself constantly navigating between different scheduling tools and wish everything could be in one place, then you're in the right spot. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to effectively manage and share a calendar directly within Teams, keeping your collaborative efforts seamless and organized. To kick things off, ensure you have your Microsoft Teams application open and ready. Having it at your fingertips will make following along much easier. Once you're in, go ahead and locate the Teams section on the left panel. This is essentially the hub where you interact with your different groups and channels. From this section, choose the specific team you're interested in creating a calendar for. Now, this leads us to one key point: make sure you have the necessary permissions within that team to add new tabs, as creating a calendar is done through this feature. If you're unsure, you might want to double-check with your team administrator or manager. Now, with your desired team selected, direct your attention to the tabs at the top of the channel screen. You'll notice a little plus sign, also known as the Add a Tab option. Click on that, and it will open a window with a variety of apps and services you can integrate into your channel. In this scenario, what we're looking for is website. Yes, it might seem counterintuitive, but this option allows you to add a direct link to your calendar, keeping everything centralized. Once you've selected the website option, you'll be prompted to name your tab. Be sure to choose a clear and descriptive name so that everyone in the channel knows it pertains to the shared calendar. Next, you'll need the direct URL of the calendar from your Outlook or whichever primary service you're using. To do this, open your browser and navigate to your Outlook calendar. Find the calendar you want to share and prepare its sharing settings. Here's the trick: you need to get the specific link that allows everyone in your team's channel to view and use the calendar. For this, in Outlook, there are options to share or publish your calendar. Choose this option, and copy the provided link, which is usually a URL that ends with .ics or .html. Take that link and paste it into the URL field back in Teams. After you paste the link, click Save. Now your calendar tab will appear alongside your other tabs, like Posts and Files. When you and your colleagues click on this new tab, the shared calendar will load, allowing everyone in the team to see upcoming events, meetings, and any other scheduled engagements. This integration helps maintain a streamlined workflow and ensures no one misses out on important dates. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams, ensuring your team stays effortlessly aligned and informed.